king's rook 6.
No, my bishop was at king's rook 6. My knight was at queen 5.
No.
Yes,
It was,
yes,
no, in
yes.
your dreams, your knight was at queen 5.
I was saying...
I saw right.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now your knight is at refrigerator 5.
Oh, yeah, that's real mature.
Yeah, well, you know, who comes out a winner? Me. Griffin once again. Undefeated champion of the world.
You know, San Francisco is a big place. Have you thought about how you're going to find this guy?
Simple, Brian. Look at this. My God, this poor fellow had relations with Lois. That's more disgusting than my cousin Quark, Griffin.
I'm watching your every move, Quark, so don't think you can get away with any law breaking.
Yeah, whatever, man.
I mean it. You'll have me to deal with.
Ooh, I'm really scared.
I could morph into a giant python and eat you alive.
Hey, here's an idea. Why don't you morph into a guy with something interesting to talk about?
Yes, your mother and I have decided that we're going to help you two get out in the dating world.
That's right. Chris, I'm going to show you how to be an affable, desirable young man who doesn't smell like the inside of a wool hat.
Why you gotta break balls? And Meg, when I get through with you, you're going to be beating guys off with both hands.
This is going to be so fun.
Hey, zip it. Rule number 1. No speaky until the man's speaking to you.
I say, are we moving on yet?
Just hang out, little guy. I'll see you in a while.
Oh, very well. I suppose I'll go puff the chemical toilet. Apparently you're about to do the same.